What's up everybody, and welcome to another video of woodwork challenge. I done the crossbar before, but now it's time for the woodwork challenge. I don't really want to play this because I just ate and I don't really feel that powerful to do it, but I probably will be able to do it. So there's a lovely goal there, 6 times 4 foot, and let's try and hit the crossbar. So see, our camera's there. Right, that isn't working because I'm actually looking at the thingy, like the camera. So let's try and do it again. I'm just going to hit the pause, obviously. Right, I did hit that because went like bangs. If I show you again, well, it didn't do that, but it would have hit. It might have. So, what should we do? Like, I know this is a woodwork challenge. I definitely know it's that. But like, I'm going to try and hit the crossbar first because that's the most hardest. So, let's try and do it. Maybe tomorrow I might bring a friend along and do the what is it called? Do the call out penalties. I'll bring one of my friends. Maybe, depends if he's busy, because I know he's got a YouTube channel. So I know he's got a YouTuber channel. I know he's got things to do. So I might not. So let's get onto the crossbar challenge. Well, it's not crossbar, but like woodwork. So let's try and hit the crossbar. Right, that did not work. That did not work at all. Didn't it not? That did not work at all. So that's a shame. That didn't work at all. But hopefully I can hit it again. Yes, that had to hit. That hit. That definitely hit. I don't know. It might off. I'm not saying it had hit, but if you can see, went like over like that. That still hit the crossbar. Even if it like hit when like touched it like that still hit the crossbar because it's touching it. So that's done. So let's try and do the woodwork challenge now. So let's try and do that. So it's time for the pause. I didn't hit that, but I will maybe next time. So I had already hit the crossbar, but now it's time for the pause. So let's try and hit them. I want to hit them and end this video because like I need to, because I need to do a GTA video. So right, that was so close. I'm going to try and hit a little bit close. What I'm going to do is a couple of days I'm going to do I don't know, like when FIFA 17 comes out, I'm definitely playing that, like definitely. So let's try and hit. Right, so I don't know what I'm going to do now. So please subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye.